So we live in Makarska now. Very good.
Okay, come on in. You two, you can sit in the front.
Here?
Yes.
Right.
Sit on the left side.
This?
Yes, but sit on the side.
Ide.
Sit on the side.
Így?
Yes.
So?
Like that. Very good.
So?
Super. Yes.
Én már fogom a madzagot lakni.
Salire, tirare. Il hai a destra.
Видите, знаешь что? Дайте сидеть, вот два рубля. Сидь, оди. Znaš?
Here.
A, ti ćeš kod njih, aha. Okej.
Ajde se dođe ti s ove strane, tako da mi možemo...
Može.
Aha.
Može.
Drži. Možeš ti Anđela, ti sta desno.
Jel? Neka bude tako znači,
Hogy itt megyünk, ezt nem veszem föl. Okay.
Thank you. Vere?
Nem vészes, ne fossanak.
Tomice, ti dole, kod tate sjedi. Ja, i gledaj.
Kisgyerek is még látod, még nem kell figyelni.
Njega ovdje.
I tell her it's no danger, it's a little,
No.
this is safe.
This is our older son.
Yes.
It was first time when he was 4
Šta
years
će vam
old
japa?
also.
So it's okay.
Easy to receive.
Okay, just take it easy.
Yeah, enjoy.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes. Yes, it may be easy that you put them off.
Így bele.
Ajde, dođi molim.
You can
Ez
put
lejött.
it there. Yeah. And just put your legs under the rope.
Oda dug be.
Hej, najprej.
Ide dug be.
Ajde,
lábad.
Vala, lábad.
Lábamon?
Aha.
Idemo.
Én bedugom oda az enyémet.
Kine jöjjön
You two
basszú.
Hungarians. You know
Yes.
Tomago is our captain, okay?
Okay,
Tomago will tell us what to
Captain.
do.
good.
Okay. We'll go just a little bit down, then we'll stop to talk on the river, okay? Couple
All right.
instructions, then we continue. Ja ću ovoga ovdje past, neka ne. Stavi samo noge i pomljamo.
Ali nema da se više ne.
Ne boj se.
Na, indulunk.
Let's go!
Okay.
Ajde, polako.
Borulj.
Krećemo, evo od plakovi.
Wow.
Very good, okay, please stop. Okay, for you two is this first time?
Yes, first
on
time.
rafting?
Yes.
Okay, for me too.
Oh.
But don't be scared,
Don't
scared.
care.
Don't be scared, they have been before, so,
All right.
so they know everything, okay?
All right. Are you from
Omish.
Omish?
Small
Yeah.
city. You've been in Omish?
Yes, many times.
Good. So,
We love it.
it's not your first time in Croatia?
I have in Croatia 30 times maybe.
30 times!
I was before the war too.
Really?
All islands
Then you are
by
Croatian,
10.
you are not Hungarian.
I hope so.
Yes, after 10 years
My
you
next
become-
life is
to be
Croatian.
Croatian.
Yeah.
Very good. Okay, couple instructions before we continue. Please, keep your feet under the ropes so you can't fall into the
Tunde
water,
jól.
okay? If you fell into the water,
Yeah?
you have to wait for the other boat. You put a finger like this and you wait,
Okay.
okay? No, I'm kidding. Okay, if you fell into the water, Just don't touch these ropes or boat. Get away from the boat. You have life jackets to swim in the water.
Yes.
And we pick you up.
All right.
You see in some parts like there, water is shallow, low water, and there are a lot of
Low
rocks
water.
under,
Yes.
so boat can run over you. So just get away from the
Okay.
boat in the middle of the river and we pick you up.
Yes. All right.
Very good.
Okay.
Also, please don't put your feet like this.
Azt mondta, hogy semmi baj nincs, ha belesünk a vízbe, csak úszni kell, és nem mély a víz. Nem mély a víz. The water is good. I like this water is not cold.
Okay, but please don't put the feet like this. Crocodiles, piranhas. No, but again, lot of rocks.
Lot
So
of
that
rocks.
can be dangerous. You will
Dangerous,
see in some
yeah.
parts where low
Yeah.
water we will
Snakes.
maybe stuck.
Yeah.
Snake
So
anaconda.
just stay
Yeah.
in the boat.
All right.
We will stop for swimming, jumping, do a
Yeah.
lot of crazy stuff so we have enough time for breaks. Okay,
Very nice.
one more thing. Please. The most dangerous thing in this first part and later, you know today we have 10 kilometers, 3 hours.
Yes.
We'll be together so we have enough time. Are these branches and trees on the side? Sometimes we will go under, so just protect your face, eyes, you have helmet, so just a little bit head
Yes.
down
So.
and everything will be okay.
All right.
Okay, so for this first quiet part, it's important just to stay in the boat and watch your face, okay?
Yes.
Later when we come to some difficult part or before some bigger rapid,
Yes.
we will stop and I will explain what we have to do,
All right.
what is dangerous,
Yeah,
what to
yeah,
expect
yeah.
or something like that.
Okay.
So for now, for this quiet part, just stay in the boat, watch your face and everything will be okay.
Okay.
Okay? Pedals we hold like this, one hand on the top,
One hand.
like this, other one somewhere here, how you like. Like this we go forward. Very good. And like this we go back. Okay, but please, never use back or put a pedal in the water like brake unless I tell you, okay?
Okay.
Sometimes I will need your help, especially from you on
Yeah,
the left side,
okay.
I sit on the right side.
Okay.
Then I will tell you left, back, I will say
Okay.
ball, yob,
Bal jobb.
ball, yob.
Yes. Yes.
And I will say
Bal jobb. You say.
alura,
Előre, hátra.
alura,
Hátra.
hatra,
Hátra.
hatra.
Back, we know back
Okay.
of four.
But
Bal jobb,
I
it's
wanna teach
much,
you a little game.
much better. We are stressed, we forget what right and left. But joking, I'm joking.
Okay, so remember, left side, right side.
Right side.
Okay. It
Left
took me 2
side,
years to
right
understand
side.
that, so don't
All
laugh,
right.
Okay?
All right.
So it's the best that we go all time forward. So you two in the front, look each other and in the same time, and you behind just follow them.
Yeah.
So just, we don't need some big power, okay?
Yeah.
It's just important to continue moving and to be a little bit faster than the river.
Yeah.
So just slowly in the same time, all boat and everything will be
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, all right. Szép nyugodtan. Oké.
Let's go!
Most akkor mit csináljak?
Így evezzé szépen evezzé. Előre megyünk. Azt mondta, ez egy nyugodt szakasza a izének, ha valami lesz, ilyen kis vízesés, akkor majd szólnak. Nem lesz
Bazd meg.
előre.
És tudja, hogy nem tudok úszni.
Tudja. Nem, 4 éves gyerek is ment. 4 éves, és meg azt se tudott úszni, ne izgulj.
Ez túlélte.
Új, de tiszta a víz. Many fishes here.
Yes, lot of trout, also eels. Later in the second part where the water is a little bit faster.
Yes. You go that way. Jó, jó, jó.
De kell ülni a hajóba ilyenkor, vagy mi?
Evo brzat to. Tomice. Toma, go brzo. Gledaj sad, prvo ćemo se sudariti s ovim barbom.
Idemo Darko,
Ajmo,
idemo
sudarit ćemo se s
Darko,
ovim
bibi,
barbom, vidi.
bibi,
Sorry.
Ciśnij do przodu.
We are too fast.
Jézusom, én most kapaszkodok. Jaj, Laci!
Szuper! Úgy evezi, hogy egyenesbe tartsuk a hajót. Most én egy kicsit fékezek így.
Давай, ставь ноги тут.
Good.
But that was a small one.
This is a small.
Yes, later we can begin.
Okay.
That's other arm, other arm.
Úgy. Úgy.
Мы пальцы там и что? Палька.
Beautiful. It's more water this year than last year.
No.
No? The same?
The same. Now the same. Couple of weeks ago there was a bigger water, but we had a lot of rain. But now it's the same.
The same, yeah. How is the springtime? It's much higher.
In the winter.
Winter, after
Yes,
winter.
in the winter, maybe 2-3 meters higher.
2-3 meters higher. It's better we come though.
Then it's too dangerous for
Too
us.
dangerous, yeah. I'm joking. Itt voltunk tavaly, nem? Nézd, ott lehet persze.
Just forward. Just forward.
Csak akkor ott evezzetek jobban evezni ott.
All together.
Ajde, ajde.
Előre.
Doma, ako ajde, Vesla, odite na sam.
Ne félj. Onnan evezni kijebb. Azaz. Szuper. Nézd, ez gyönyörű. Nézd ide. Élsz még? Ez csak ez egy ilyen nyugodt része a folyón. Majd jönnek a nagy.
Dobro, stavi tako, nema sad.
It was an Indian film in Hungary, 1960-70. Gojgo Mitic.
Yes, Vinettu.
Vinettu, yeah? I remember. Maybe they made
One
some.
part was filmed
One
here,
part,
this-
yes?
Later I will show you the place where we stopped for jumping.
Okay.
That's the part where Vinettu was filmed.
Oh. Motorboat.
You watched Vinettu?
Yes, I've seen many.
It was very
All Hungarian. It's
popular
good.
in Hungary.
Very good, mate.
But it's funny. Cowboy Indians, but
Yeah.
all white people.
Yeah. I was 20 years. I was a manager for the little cinema Biograph,
Yes?
and I showed many times these films.
Okay.
All Hungarians in these films. Everybody knows who is Gojgo Mitic. They don't know anything about Croatia. Gojgo Mitic,
That's going to
Vinettu.
be- yes. Also Germans. When Germans come here,
Yeah.
already on the start, show our place where Vinettu jumped. Show place, show.
Is it?
Veliko me vode, ako neko žeda neka pita, tata je ponio sve.
Is it possible to come and make a fishing week? Somewhere it's allowed to fishing by?
On the river?
Yeah,
A ništa nije toliko.
not allowed.
Yes,
I'm
but
not
a
doing
lot of
it.
local people come in the evening hours,
Yeah.
you know. There are not some controls, but it's some restricted area. but-
Restricted, but
yes.
we can buy some fishing cards or something. It's
I
nothing.
think you can, but I'm not sure. I'm
You're
really
not sure, yeah,
about
okay.
river. For the sea I know, but for the river I really don't know.
Okay.
But I see in the evening,
Evening.
a lot of local people come here
Coming
for
and-
fishing, so
This is which kind of fish is here?
trout,
Trout.
pastrva.
Ah, az a azt hiszem a kis, hogy hívják, Kis lazac, hogy hívják? Pisztráng.
How long you staying in Croatia?
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
2 weeks, yeah.
Just arrived or?
No, we was the second week now. We was on the islands and Dubrovnik. Dubrovnik is too hot.
Yes, and too expensive.
Too expensive. It's much better to come twice here.
Okay, but Dubrovnik is nice. To see,
Nice,
but
yes.
For me,
Everybody-
better for 1 day trip. Just
Yeah,
to-
1 day.
Yeah. But to stay 2 weeks in Dubrovnik is too expensive.
Ah,
For that you can whole summer live here.
many beautiful. Makarska is very beautiful
Yes.
too.
Vidi koliko je trak.
Hello.
Ott evezni arra.
Navikam se na ovi tako da.
Ovo je novi neki, ne?
Ista je konstrukcija, malo ovi veći. Ali isto je konstrukcija.
Evezzétek ott, evezni.
Možeš vidjeti gornji, u sredini malo djece sjede. E tako, bravo, da sve vidiš, čuti. Sad ću tako završiti štima, pa... To mu vidiš. Nije vidiš da se ti omakne s trenom.
Pa može se super tek. Nekada ne mogu.
E, to, tako se drže rakije.
A doma go šta ima?
Ti malo proba vesti.
A?
Jó.
Hoćeš?
Se kupaš pomako.
Kupam sad.
Jel?
Nema ti ga ne. Čekaj, recimo, nisam imala oni ne skipiraju ovo lice, a? Kupili ti ti.
Na broju. Na 3 godine. Ali 3 godine sam na broju.
O, vidi ga mama, vidi ga mama.
Nisu mi prošli nikada.
Mama, vidiš li ti?
Bravo!
Tomago, vidi. I Tomica Vesla.
Ja. Next captain.
Yes.
A mama stiče
Hello. Ahoj.
Ahoy.
Idemo na ladnu vodu! Nema ga sad.
Nešto bila je naučana.
Nagyon kellemes a levegő.
Malo, Domago, po glavi malo dođi.
Jobb, mint a tengerparton. Ott is evezni.
I onda on, da, pravi se krenuti,
A ja, znaš bez veze.
a momak bija ovdje od ovoga tača, momak već na brodu, onda vam je neugodno. Momku neugodno, ne znam šta će.
How long is this part? About
10 kilometers.
10 kilometers, yeah?
Old river is 108.
108,
Yes.
yeah.
You will see later, second part is more beautiful. More
This-
rapids, more fun.
This is so beautiful to hear. Clear.
Jesi se sviđa?
Dobro stoji kaciga, ovako se provjerava da dobro stoji kaciga. Dobro stoji, ne vidimo od Tomci, dobro stoji. Ne vidimo tati. Ajme, ja nemam kad. Zeznio sam se. Nogu, ispod ovako, tata.
Koliko je njemu godina? 4. Je li ideš u vrtić?
Tomice, pitate prvo jude li ideš u vrtić? Da.
A di? U Zagrebu ili?
Iz Zagreba. No, još da ti novo to. No još. Tako, znala sam da će se njema svidjeti. Domagoj nam je stari raftera. Jure, čime se ti preko zime baviš?
Ja ti radim ove vatrogasne aparate u seriji.
Ma da.
To radim cijelu godinu, ali sad liti to ono, napravio ovdje.
Jak na potunku, Brašnaci. Brašnaci. Gdje?
Na onome prvome stažu.
Na onome veliko se zove. Na onome, ma radi njega malo.
Je, najpliče i najljepše.
Opa!
Znaš čim je najpliče, onda se i voda brzo ugri, pa mi je nekako
je.
Ono je dole, ono je gori lad.
Je dole ono gdje je pličak, ono ona velika baš praža, dole baš lijepo.
Je, rekao
Je, skoro na asfalt.
Yesterday we was up to Biokovo,
Yes,
Brashac.
on
On the top, yeah. We went a lot.
Sveti Jure.
Yeah, Sveti Jure.
Same name.
Ooh.
And you go by car or you'll be walking?
We went half
Half in the car.
half ago. But next year I can coming to go by foot from Makarska.
From Makarska.
It's possible.
Yes,
But we didn't know before. It's possible, hard, but
yes, hard a little bit, but
yes, Sveti.
You're going
Little-
alone and you
Ooh.
get back with Gorska služba spašavanja.
Uh-huh.
if you go alone, he said that you can come back with the mountain rescue service.
Yeah, 4 hours about. It was yesterday. Young people from Makarska ran up to the top from Makarska ship.
Yes?
Up. Young people run. I couldn't believe it.
Amazing.
We was there when they come, arrived the top of, what is it, Brashac? Vošac was there, the place. They made a film too. We on the film and they, hello. 10 kilometer, ja. Gyönyörű, teli
Now
van
in this part
pisztrándok.
we'll have problems with the low water. So I will give direction, we'll go between some rocks.
Okay,
Maybe I will need your help, then I will tell
Yeah.
you left, right.
okay.
Znaš ti doma Gorska, lijevo,
Csak nevezzél, majd ő.
left je lijevo, right je desna strana. Ti si lijeva strana.
It's
Ti
good,
si left,
too?
ti left.
Yes, it's okay, very good.
Right, ti left.
Excellent. All together. All together.
Cica? Semmi baj. Emezzünk. Apa, kikerüljük a fát. Itt megyünk? This way?
Yes, super.
Ha nagyon hajolj be.
A ti doma, Tomče.
Semmi baj.
Bravo, mladići, otvrati. Bravo, doma. Doma, brže, sada.
Now on the left side forward. Come on.
Left side, ajde.
Forward.
Deve.
Left, back to back. All together forward. Amazing.
Here. Bugi. Semmi baj. Csak azt sziklát kerüljük ott el. Szuper! So, good.
Very good. More done it.
Sad ti malo sjedne gore?
Je.
Sad se moraš malo odmoriti. Kako odnesla ovaj brzo. Idući ratnik on dobiva svoje vesti, da?
Je.
Uvijek nogu zakati se. Kako se držiš, vidiš tu imam.
Ne izidiš mi.
Hoćeš ovako ti kad budeš velik.
Pašao dobro. Barbajure. A nemoj ga već.
Doma ga ovako si ti bio mali kad si prvi put bio. Da,
Dobro, on bi, ja mislim ima 5. To je bile ma 10.
If somebody has a little, this one
Yes.
can start from longer upper.
No.
No?
You can do on your own, but you have some agencies that do
Yeah, kayaking.
But for 2 people,
Yeah.
you know, you go with a skipper
Yeah,
or 2-person with a skipper.
yeah,
Something
yeah.
like that.
The water is not so high. The
No,
upper.
it's the
No,
same like
the
here.
same like, yeah.
But if you are not experienced, if you've
Yes,
never done before,
absolutely, yeah. Na most jön a lényeg. A nagy tapasztalt kajakosok. Most evezzetek, gyerekek. Most megyünk. Wow! Szuper!
Ono je kajakaš.
Ono je onaj barba, znaš, ono je opasno voziti.
So?
Onda se možeš, ono malo ljudi zna voziti, znaš. I ono je za brze, stroge rijeke. Ti možeš ići na najveće brzate mogu.
Arra. Evezni.
Ono i snima.
don't go other way.
We go other way there.
Yeah. There is more fun.
Ah, kiszálltam. Itt már mély. Fél méter. Ilyet 2 méter. Jéghideg. Fröccsöt lehűtjük.
Dobro, još ova nije toliko.
Előre. Szuper! Szuper!
Very good.
Ovaj rafting prvo dobro. Bez fantastično. Super rafting. Upočemo se kasnije. Pauzu. Onda ćemo. Di na onu plažu. Na onu malo kao plaćanku.
We can maybe 10 more minutes, then we will stop to do first big break. We'll do for swimming.
Oké.
Utan prevezi.
Egy kicsit.
Malo prije izvacija. Treba malo se ne.
Treba, stvarno.
Zaboravimo.
Malo, jedan odmah.
I malo pogledajte ovako, malo gore se ovako. To mi se dođe ovako. Ovako pogledajte malo kroz ovako. Pogledajte malo.
Znam, po ulici.
Gori je planina. S jedne strane, ono je planina bio po odrednom budići tamo još. Tamo s one strane to mi se to je planina, Makarska planina. A ovi ovdje dio Biokova se zove Omiška dira. to Mišani zovu Omiška.
Oda nézni a sziklákat.
A ova vamo planina je most. Ova vamo.
Most jön a lényeg.
Ovo je Mosor, a ovo je vamo bio. Sad se mi vozimo između dvije planine. Mosora i Bio. Biokovo je prava planina, velika, najveća u Hrvatskoj. Ima 1760 cm vrh sveći. To ćemo ići na taj vrh jedan put ove zime, kad dođemo zime. Sad je gori velika zima. Ićemo skroz gori na vrh Biokova. Može.
Nagyon jó levegő van, nagyon kellemes, igaz? Se nem hideg, se nem meleg.
Znate vi šta je na mostu? Svi smo mi ono išli lani, ono jednu stilju, kako se zove. Stilja Vranjača je na mostu.
A kako sam... Oni što smo mi rekli.
Evo sudar,
Motorbåt!
Pa će biti 3 sudara.
Vidiš, ovi dio se zove Omiška dinara. On ima malo drugčiju konfiguraciju nego ovo ostalo Biokovo. Malo je više zeleniji. Malo je više zeleniji. Tamo na Biokovu više Makarske nema toliko zelenila, više su stih. A Mosor je isto zelenija planina, puno od Biokova. Biokovo je prava kamena planina, vrle. Šta kažeš? Sudarili smo. To je normalno, malo se ovdje sudaramo. Sudar. Znali ko talijanski? Pa talijanski fitness. Ja sam 3 puta, ja sam počne pivati, oni cijeli puta piva u starisnikom gradu. Vidi žabu, Tomica, look at the frog.
What?
Frog.
Frog, ja!
Žaba.
Nibo je taj.
Béka.
Hatalmas.
Hatalmas, ja.
Tomice, dođemo. How you say in Hungarian?
Morat ćeš sad kaži stiker,
Beka.
moraš stati tamo.
Béka.
Beka.
Béka, ja. Béka.
Sad će brzo.
Sad će brzo
Then you have to teach me Hungarian little.
Yes, okay. Sia.
I zaveži noge.
Sia.
Sia.
Sia, hello.
Nemo Nino
Hello.
mjesta ispod svoje
Sija.
nogice, neka stavi fino.
Forward. Forward.
Előre.
Ej, uzmite ovako, vidite grane baci.
Znaš kako?
Bilocci.
Može.
A ne, ma ne
A vizé van, akkor hajolj be ilyen nagy ágat, nőd meg.
Olyan, da. Ostavim.
Így irányítom én is elő, középre menjünk.
Look at these trees up. The stuff. Pogledaj domaga kako bude visoka vijest.
Itt neki megy a sziklának a víz. Gyorsan ki kell nevelni. Forrad!
I kako ovo stablo stalo, vidite. Stvorilo mali most. Mogu životinje pri s jedne strane rijeke.
Na, ez jó kis
Kako
víz.
priroda pogleda. Kako ovo bio lijep bio. Forward. Nisi jure, ništa. Znaš kako ovo bio lijep. Ovo je bilo prema. Treba se dati.
Ügyes vagy, cica. Igen. Gyönyörű, mi?
Nastavi puno je sad brodova, ja, moram to malo. Da već
Dobro.
oko auta teku.
Itt lesz egy kis gyorsabb szakasz.
zadatak. Čeli će na veliku branu, da ne možemo ovako učititi s ovim svijem. A to je to.
Forward, please.
Tako, vidi. Reali.